Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Resident Evil 5. We're going to carry on from where we are. I do apologise as well for the lack of videos, the delay for the Resident Evil series. I've been having some problems with my capture card for some reason, and a lot of people seem to be having the same problem a lot with recently with their capture cards. Like, it's recording, but really pixelated. Like, you get green and purple little dots everywhere, so that was frustrating. I had to sort that out. Also, I lost the charger for my camera, so I had to sort that out as well. Other than that, I also lost, well, not lost, but my PlayStation Plus ran out, so I couldn't play it on. I couldn't play Resident Evil 5. Obviously, Resident Evil 5 for the PlayStation 4 was rental. Obviously, my PlayStation Plus ran out, so I couldn't play it because I needed to be connected online to play it because it streamed it. Then I realised I had it on the PlayStation 3, so I decided to play it on the PlayStation 3, obviously, to continue the series, but then I had to complete all of the games where I got up to before, so I've just done that, which didn't take too long, thank goodness, because I didn't actually get that far, which, well, it's a blessing in disguise, I suppose. Anyway, let's get to it. So, we're about to cross this bridge. Now, I know what's about to come up, and I normally die on this bit, like, forever all the time, so... Oh god! Failed! First fucking time, boys! Yes! Come on! Come on! Fuck it. Boom! There's so many in this bit. See if I can do the arrow thingy. No, done it too early, bollocks. There's too many! Operation Mowdown. It's mowing time! So hopefully the picture quality actually, I think it looks better on the PlayStation 3. For some reason it just seems to be a lot smoother, and the frame rate's better as well. That's, I don't understand. But I'm not complaining. It feels weird being back on the PlayStation as well. On the PlayStation 3. Seems like such a long time ago.
Come on, take it.
Roger.
Why is she? Okay, she's actually got a machine gun. I thought she was robbing my ammo then for a second again. So I'd be like, bitch, please. Oh, also, the version I have on the PlayStation 3 isn't the gold edition, so we don't have the suits, I'm afraid. Bummer. This is a big bummer indeed. Oh my goodness! I forgot about these guys. Nice. Oh. No, this is no good. That is a massive dog. Is it dead? I don't think it... No, it's not dead. Shiver. Oh, no. Oh, that took a lot of fucking bullets. Jesus. Yeah, I'm picking up all the ammo for that, considering you done fuck all during that. Like usual. So we're not going to stop hating on you until you become useful. Also, whilst I was playing to catch up with this, I also realised if you hold down circle, you can change her to attack mode. And instantly she whips out the submachine gun. She's on it. She's ready. Grenades. Fuck yeah. The shit goes to shit. You always can count on the shotgun. I think the camera angle is different as well on the PlayStation 3. You get to see more of their body, I swear. But you couldn't see their legs before.
Hurry!
Is it just me? I don't know. Probably. Now, if I remember right, there's... Haha! I did remember correctly. Oh, God.
Oh my God.
Said that at the same time. I remember this. Fucking anything that flies. I hate it. Well, not anything, actually. I don't mind.
Watch out!
Don't mind bees. I don't mind birds. But moths! Oh! No. I hate moths. I don't know why, I just do. And daddy long legs. It's the legs. Just... Hell no. I hate them. Oh. Oh, God. No. Missed. How Cuff? There we go. I just don't like them. They're just, oh. Plus they eat your clothes as well. You get holdy clothes. Good money for my clothes. Don't want fucking moths coming in and eating them. Oh god, this is like painful to watch. Shiver could have shot it with your fucking amount of ammo you've got. She won't.
Someone's here.
Someone's here. No shit, I just saw them. I never knew you could actually go in this house. I think I've always missed this place. There's not really much in here though, is there anyway? Nah. Well, I know there's stuff in here. I think. Also, I realised, now that I've got my PlayStation 3 to record, I can now also do all my PlayStation 3 games, which I'm really excited about because there's loads of them which I haven't like barely even played. I got Resident Evil 6 as well, which I totally forgot until I was having a rubbish room. I was like, ah! So more of that. I've also got Dragon's Dogma, which I absolutely love. Not sure if I could do a video on that though, because I'm not really sure like what I could do for an interesting type of video. But I might do something on it. Crikey, there's loads of stuff. I've got XCOM, so I'd definitely be doing a video on that. I love that game. Also got like God of War, Final Fantasy X, Final Fantasy X Part 2. Also, because the PlayStation 3 works, that obviously means I can do PlayStation 1 games as well. So I can do, yes, Crash Bandicoot. I love Crash Bandicoot. Crash Bandicoot 2 and Crash Bash and Crash Bandicoot 3 also have. It's like Tekken, Metal Gear Solid 1, Dead or Alive, WWE SmackDown. No, WWF back then, wasn't it? Yes, it was. Anyway, fucking go on, Shiver. You attack him whilst I talk. Oh! That's a Road Cage, a game called Hogs of War. I don't know if you guys remember that game, but Hogs of War, man. Better watch this when this comes around the corner. Ooh! Better watch that when that comes around the corner. Oh, I nearly just ran straight into that then. Shiver, get out the way of me. Fucking gunfire. Jesus Christ, woman. You're annoying me today. You see you climb through this. That's what I thought. Oh, gold for days. Fuck this. I'm out. Already used it. Nice. Oh shit. Oh, that's just disgusting. Oh, it actually gives me goose pimples. Like, I don't know if like now I'd actually be able to on the camera, but that shit. Don't like it. Strange. I get like that in songs as well. If there's a song that I really like, all of a sudden goose pimples. I don't know, I'm strange. Right, hello guys, and welcome back. I just had some tea, and as I finished, it got really dark, like outside, so it probably looks like daylight to you still on the camera there because of my new light and my bedroom lights on. Hopefully the quality hasn't deteriorated too much. I've tried to make it as light as I can in here. I'm not saying that my bedroom is like the bottomless pit of the darkest place ever, but when it gets like this time of night, it seems to get like the camera gets, it just doesn't like it, and it just gets really grainy. So, but yeah. Anyway, oh, I see a herb. Oh, shit, I got nothing to mix it with. Shiver, why are you never fucking near me to give you shit? Oh, you're up there fighting. That's why.
Gotcha. Thanks, Kirk.
Oh, I never gave someone like the kick before.
I didn't think HQ actually cared.
Oh, right on the head, the shotgun. No. Headbutt in defense. Oh, for fuck's sake. Whoa. What is happening? I've got flying shit in my face. Is it dead? What the fuck is hitting me? I don't know. I don't like it. There's another herb. I can't remember if it was a green or red I picked up. Worst comes to worst, we'll mix a green and a green together. Oh, there's another herb down there. Fuck, I'm full. Shove it. You're gonna... Right, come on. Make this one count. Boom! That took way too much. Right, fuck it. We're gonna have to do that. Damn, I got no ammo. Shiver, have that. Do you know what? Also have this. Oh, handgun ammo, yes! Right, jump down. I don't know why, I love my handgun in this game. I just love it! Ow. Bitches. Yes! What the? Shiver, stop fucking shooting me, woman! Cover me!
I need your help.
I'll cover you instead. Oh. Fuck, I'm running out of ammo, man! Oh. Mine! Oh, so you pick up the frickin' machine gun ammo. This bitch is pissing me off. Halabunga! Okay, God, it's so cold outside. Like, I just went out there just a minute ago. And I'm not sure if it's because I've got asthma or it's because I've got a weak chest, but the cold goes like straight to my chest all the time. It like it like sounds stupid, but it like freezes me from the inside. That's what it feels like. So okay, you can have the rifle. I swear she already had a rifle anyway. Through the oh, hello. Hook. Woo! Wasn't expecting so many. Not gonna lie. I'm always nervous that they're not actually dead when they go down and they're gonna pop up again. I'll just take that for a minute. Is that a duo chainsaw? Oh my god, can we pick up? Oh, I want it! I've never seen one of them before. Oh my god. One of them is like badass enough. Two, missed opportunity there. I've got too much shit in my inventory. Shiver, so have you. Oh god, another herb. Alright, go on. I'll mix that with that. There we go, right. We do not need any more herbs. Start fucking selling them on the black market in a minute. Oh, see, that's why we don't like flying things. You can fuck your shit up. That's just a bit of paper. I was just like, what the fuck is that? Right, here we go. Get to use up some bullets. Fucking hell, Shevin. Nice! Don't know what she's doing up there, but she's doing a grand job. Oh, shit. Get off. The only thing about the PlayStation 3 controller, because, like, it's had its wear and tear of my usage of it, rattling the controller is so easy. Like, look how easy that moves. It's brilliant. I love the fucking shotgun. Just destruction. Oh. We're out of destruction. Oh god. Damn! It's fine, we got enough fucking herbs. Am I shooting? What's going on? In the eye! No, no! Chris. Right. That into that. Shit, I'm out of... You have that.
Thanks, partner.
Oh, fuck, another herb. No, we don't need it. No, why did you pick it up? Oh, God's sake, woman. Oh, shit! That served you right. No one jumps up on Chris, biatch.
Reload.
On the armpit. Should do like a montage of just Chris stomping on stuff. Don't run on the stairs! Let that be a lesson to you. You don't want to face plant. Because face planting is never good. I can say on first-hand experience, and I'm not saying anything else. There's no need to embarrass myself. On purpose, anyway. I do that often enough without fucking having to do it on purpose. Over you go. You'll be alright. God, there's more than I remembered. Whoops. Let's just hope my accuracy is a bit better than I thought it was, hopefully. Come on! Shiver just like disappeared. I think I'm... There's one right behind you! Look, kick him! That's it! Go on, that's it. Get rid of him for you, because I know how much them fucking arrows are a pain in the ass. Nice! Yes! Well done. Head stomping. Because, oh, hello. No running on the... Where are you guys coming from? Whoa! That wasn't supposed to happen. Kind of gutting that did, to be honest. So I was saving that for what was about to come. I remember, can never forget, the first time our eyes locked. There's a moment I will never forget, not because it was beautiful or romantic, because of how petrifying it was. Another fucking herb. Jump down, it's more of a bloody step, not a jump. So I know what's just up these stairs and lurking, so I'm going to end this video here, guys. If you liked this video, make sure to give that like button some loving, maybe even a cheeky little subscribe, and I'll see you all guys next time. Bye!
Save me.
I like the double tap to roll.